And welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know very well that you have a poor communication skills. But don't worry my friend, I'm here to help you to improve your English communication skill. I have one more thing for you, this book. This book name is Word Power Made Easy, written by Norman Lewis. This book is enough to improve your English vocabulary. And if you have the command over vocabulary, so you can speak in English with anyone. Yes, even with the native or with non-native speaker. But you need to have a command over vocabulary because vocabulary is very important for English communication skills. Other things also important like reading newspaper or magazines, but vocabulary is very important because if you have the word so you can speak, but without knowing the words how will you able to speak in English? So let's start a journey of learning vocabulary and to improving the communication skills in English. So let's begin the today's video. We have some words and with phobias like aerophobia, aerophobia, animals, zoophobia, beauty, calophobia, birth, genophobia, blood, hematophobia, burglars, scalerophobia, burial alive, tapiphobia, cats, aleuphobia. So you can see that if you fear any object, so there is a particular word for or any living also. If you have a fear of any living beings or any object, so there is a specific word for that. I have some word also for you which is really going to improve your English communication skills. But I would like to tell you before starting, you have to promise me that you have to do three things every day. And the three things are: one, reading newspaper every day, at least for 45 minutes. Listening English media for every day just for 30 minutes. Choose any news channel like BBC, NDTV 24/7, whatever you like. Another thing, speak in front of mirror or record your own voice or your video on your smartphone, and you need to speak minimum 15 minutes. Yes, you have to do me three promises and you have to act from today itself. So let's start. Some word also. We are on the page number 516. Abash, but the pronunciation is ubash, ubash. To make ashamed, to embarrass. There's sentence also. Meredith felt abashed by her inability to remember her lines in the school chorus of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So, I think you have understand. Ubate. The spelling is Abate, but the pronunciation is ubate. To succeed or to reduce. George spilled a pot of hot coffee on his leg. It hurt quite a bit. Then gradually the agony abated. Okay? Abdicate, 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 and the spelling is Abdicate. To step down from a position of power or responsibility. When King Edward III of England decided he would rather be married to Wallis Warfield Simpson, an American divorcee, than be the King of England, he turned in his crown and abdicated. So there are the several words is there. If you want to read those words, so you can read at your home, but we will do the 5 words every day to improve your vocabulary. And I believe that after completing this exercise, of vocabulary building and communication skills, you will definitely going to speak in English. My friend, speaking English is not a 30 days game or one night game. It is a continuous practice. You have to be consistent if you really want to improve your English communication skills. Two more words we have to do for today is aberration, something not typical, a deviation from the standard. Tom's bad behavior was an aberration, so was Harry's good behavior, that is, Tom was usually good and Harry was usually bad. The word is aberration. Last word for the day is abhor. Abhor. To hate very, very much, to detest. To abhor something is to view it with mirror. Hating a person is almost friendly and comparison with abhorring him or her. What I believe, it is vocabulary, which is very, very important to improve your English communication skills. So I hope you will like the video of today and you will keep on learning, keep on improving. See you in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you so much.